Quarantine, a big pot of soup, yeah, brother.
And good morning. Well, good afternoon. It's like 12:24, but yeah. Lunchtime, some ackee and saltfish. And we got the fried fish and the peanut porridge. Jeez. So I'm about to consume some food and then I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna figure something. We're back. Today we're cooking Caribbean style. Today we're making chicken soup and Chief is cooking. Don't mind the light. We have to make it work. So what kind of soup are we making?
Done set it up. Chicken soup. Yarn style, you know?
So what are we doing first?
Simple, just the prepping up. Just get all these clean up and wash and ready for the pot. The essentials first.
So we got pumpkin, we got sweet potato, we got the Caribbean mixture, the soup mix. We got yam, we got corn, we got okra. And over here we got some more stuff. Chicken was prepped from last night. We got the yam, potatoes, you know, thyme, scallion, flour, make some dumpling. So right now he's just gonna get the stuff ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so now this is the beginning of what we're doing. So we got the water up to boil and you explain to them the rest.
Well, first thing going first would be the pumpkin because you want it to, you know, mash out in the water and just basically give it a more richer outcome. So basically anything that takes longer to boil out, you put first. So the carrot and the pumpkin, just put that in first. Yeah. Go. That's it. So you got a piece of yam right here. This one here, I'll put this in second, only because it takes a while to boil as well. But just give the pumpkin some time in there to cook out. So everything will just prep up and put aside for now. And yeah, go from there. In time. Get that going for now. Cut some sweet potato up, add that in with the pumpkin. This right here had the flavor as well and it thickened the pot, so you want to get it in as soon as possible as well. And if you can't handle these, this pot is not for you. Some pepper right there. Got some yellow yam. Got some sweet potato and some turnip. We're just gonna add them all to it. Yeah. All right. That's it. All right. Just gonna add the okra, some corn, and some chocho. Just like that. Wow. As well, pumpkin. So you know the lamb. Let me see what else. Roughly at about 6 cup noodle. This is where the flavor lies. a little bit. Oh yeah. Just gonna add a little bit of seasoning to this chicken here. Not too much. These can basically go in the pot as well, straight. So I'm gonna do that. Some salt seasoning. There'll be more seasoning adding as well, so just to get the chicken in right now, right away in.
So bomb, as you guys can see, it's coming along together real good. This is like, we're kind of halfway there, but you know, we still got more stuff to add to it. And this is a big pot. Like, it's not even a small pot. We'll be right back. Don't watch the ring light in the background. We've got to get the good lighting. Yeah, you know, good lighting. So we still got to add the dumpling to it. You can't have soup without dumpling. You just can't, no matter what.
So basically everything is in, all the food is in right now, as you can tell. It's now time to let it cook, simmer down and all that. The only thing left back to put in there now is a dumpling and some butter at the end, just, you know, flavor it a bit up. So yeah, that's it. Everything's cleaned up. Let the pot cook by itself now. Put the flour in about maybe 15 minutes before the whole pot is done, and that's it. It doesn't take long for the dumpling to boil anyway. Just gotta knead the rest of this and then just add it to the pot that's bubbling up right now. Check on the pot, see what's going on. Alright. Stay steady.
So we are at the final stage, and that's the dumpling. Yo, soup without the dumpling, it's not good. You know? Be right back. So this right here is a dumpling. We're gonna knead it up, but not yet. We're gonna wait a little bit to put it in the pot.
Angle. Yeah, so just gonna add the dumpling in, bam. And that's it.
So let them know, how long does it take for this process?
Well, overall, I would say about an hour and 15, hour and 20 minutes, roughly. The dumpling itself will take like 10-15 minutes to boil because it takes nothing. But everything overall will take like an hour and 20 minutes, roughly. Quarantine, a big pot of soup, yeah, brother. Eh? Yeah. Yes, better.
So y'all know what it is, man. That's the finishing touch right there, the soup. After you add the dumpling, it'll be done. So, you know what I mean? I'll be back when it's ready to consume the food, you know?
All going fresh? Just 2 you want? Oh, you're so generous, stop.
So we're at the aftermath. The food is finished, the soup. Let's try it out, you know? Spicy. The soup is good.
Exactly how it's supposed to be.
Can't really tell you guys like how good it is. You just have to try it.
It's the quarantine cure, you know? Cure for the COVID.
So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. More videos like this are gonna be on its way. You know, cooking a lot of different food and stuff like that, especially Caribbean food, from start to finish. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like it, comment, share. And let me know what you guys want to see. Don't be afraid, man. FLT Vlogs.